Hi guys, Munce here. Having the kids home every day, all day long is fun, but guess what? It's starting to get a little chaotic. I feel like everywhere I turn, there's toys and books laying around. So I'm here to give a few decluttering tips. First off is books. You wouldn't know it, but you're looking at my coffee table right now. Hence, it's covered in books. What to do with all those books? Bookshelves take up valuable floor space. So what we've resorted to, floating bookshelves. Not only do they save on floor space, but they organize all those books. Another way to declutter is to have the kids help you pick things up and put them away. I have found it easiest with these bins, these fabric bins. The girls just pick their stuff up, toss them in. A bin full of Barbies. What's more beautiful than that? Aside from books and Barbies, there's Legos all over the house too, but we have a system for that. After they're done playing with the Legos, all Legos have one spot in the house so we know exactly where they go and they're not in the way. A few final tips on decluttering. We like to donate toys that are no longer used anymore. The girls like to bring books down to the little library that they've outgrown. And generally, we like to have a spot for everything in our house. Hope these tips help you.